I did it. You don't have to record.
Actually, I'm gonna record this.
How does it switch over that? Will you just pick it up?
Yeah.
Really? That's pretty cool.
This is Jason becoming very busy. In high def. I've got a pretty steady hand.
Doesn't look too heavy high def on that. Oh well, it's still pretty cool.
And then there's Josh coming around the corner. And standard definition, but it's still showing it on high definition, so it's up converting it basically. So you can see a little bit of difference in